Alright. Almost a finished product on the new AR-15 pistol. Finally got my sights in. Got a 5-time telescoping sight. Supposed to fold down. Y'all don't understand. It took me about an hour to get it to do that. Didn't know that. But yeah, so we can aim down. Got the red dot sight down there. It should be on, but it look like it is, huh? Maybe it's just this. Oh, that was on. Yeah. Yep. Put that back. It's hard to do this with one hand. Alright, boom. Then I got the 45-degree angle, 45-degree pop-up sights down the side. Oh, just took it off safety. Put it back. There's no magazine in there. It's been safety checked already. So yeah. Still pretty light. Can hold them on my hand with everything on there. Still pretty light. 45-degree sights. What else? Oh, just added the new grip. Chevron type, red. I'm gonna end up getting red little buttons and flip gas cans for it. What else? Bought this red hand guard. Doesn't even fit for this T hand guard. So don't know what I'm about to do with that. Yes, I'm gonna sell it, which is upsetting. So I paid about, I think, $75 for this, like 112 for this one. The 2 sights was around 200. No, for all 3 sights it was around 220 something. And yeah, I'm happy with the almost finished product. Probably about 80% done. Just little attachments I gotta add on there. Give a video a thumbs up if you like it.